So let's say you're a hotel manager and you found out that some of your guests in your hotel have been complaining. Now, when you went to talk to the guests and to your staff, you found out it's a language problem because some of your staff didn't quite understand what the guests were requesting. So you've walked around to the different places in your hotel and you found some items which are less common in English. So what you could do is just tell your staff how to say these words in English, but it's not very likely that your staff will remember this after just being told the first time. We know that language learners need multiple repetition of these vocabulary to learn new things. So a good solution here would be to make a Quizlet vocabulary set. And today's video we're going to have a look at just how to do that. Quizlet is a free website where you can make vocabulary cards, and there's a nice app so people can review the vocabulary cards as many times as they need on the convenience of their phone. So on one side is a term and the other side is the definition or picture. Alright, so let's have a look. So these are the vocabulary that I think would be important. So next is to go to Quizlet.com
and so I just need to
sign
find
up for
pictures
free.
of them.
And you'll notice when you first go in, you can actually find study sets made by other people. So if I search for Hotel English, and then I can quickly just use one of these ones if I want to. Okay, so on one side is the word, the term, and then the other side is the definition. And some people have added images as well. So if I want to see a summary, I can see that there are 22 cards in this vocabulary set. And if I click on here, it shows the different ones as well. Right, so let's say that some of these words were not suitable. I can actually make a copy of this and then add to it or remove the ones I don't want. And to do that, I go down to the bottom here and click Customize. So just below the card preview panel, click Customized, and then I can make a copy of this. And it's simple to just click Delete or edit the text as well. But for now, I'd like to create my own set, and then I can customize it and type it in the first language of my staff. So simply just click Create a study set. We can use this one, so give it a title and a description. And you can see the first term that I've got here, hairdryer, and I don't have to have a definition. I can, if I want to, write it in the language of my staff, but just a picture should be enough for now. So I've got hairdryer, adapter, sorry, that's with the E, adapter, and go back to card number 2, enter, and then this one, let's see what images Quizlet has here. And that's absolutely fine for an adapter, because some guests might like to ask about that. So tongs, let's see if we have some picture in Quizlet for that. Tongs, all right. So just click on image, that will do. Okay, so you just keep going. Now, if you want to add your own image from a copyright-free site, or of course, an image that you've taken yourself, that's actually a premium feature. And so to do that, you can go to a free trial and see the ability to add custom images and your own audio as well. But I found that for most purposes, Quizlet's pretty good at just using the free images that are available. Now, when you finish creating the set, you get a message, would you like to share it? So you can just copy this link, or you can type in the emails of the people that you would like to share it with, and then they'll be able to study it on their app. Okay. Now, if you want to add it to a class and see the results, then you can, but this is also a premium feature, of course, so it's something that you'll need to pay for. but yes, you might like to do that, as you can see. Now that we've made our set, let's look at the different games that Quizlet has so that your staff can get some engaging study options. First of all, there's flashcards, and that's just as they look now. It's just the term, and then click the cards to see the term, and then they've got the speech as well. So we can read it out, and that will help with the pronunciation. Okay, then learn is a really good feature. They can have a multiple choice questions like what is this one, and then it creates them automatically. Then we can have write, and of course they have to type the answer and then correct. Then they have test, which is a combination of different things and different types of questions. True, false, what is this? So multiple choice, that's a really good mix. It probably has the most variety. Then match is just a game to see how quickly they can match. So they just have to get the words and then drag it over the top of the other ones. So this is a buffet, and this is a napkin, and so on. So it goes, and I guess people can compete in your hotel about how fast they can match all of the words. And then gravity is quite a cool game where blocks are falling from the sky, and they have to shoot them from the sky by typing the words. So yeah, they're all the different cool games that Quizlet has. So I hope you found this video useful, and yeah, as you can see, it's not too bad to get started with creating your own vocabulary set to help your staff improve their English.